Okay, hey, it's yet another unboxing video, right, for this new item that just arrived, right, through this my online shopping and as an affiliate marketer. Now, before we begin, I have this tagline for you, like your potential customers love to buy, but they don't like to be sold to, period. So how do you counter that? If you are offering some products or services, right? Learn about attraction marketing, how to attract rather than chase ready buyers on the internet, right? So stay to the end. I will let you know how to grab these free resources from me. So here we go. Let's unpack this. Yes. Now for content creators, right, when you're on the go, like making your content, probably something like that will be very useful. So I just ordered one, and it's a trending product right now, right? Right. So let me see how good it is. If it is good, probably I'll order the other colors to give away as a gift. So here you are. Actually, this is a pouch, but not any pouches, right? So it's very slim. Okay, definitely it is splash proof. I'm not too sure about whether it will be waterproof, but definitely raining shouldn't be a problem when you wear it. Right, wrap around your waist. Okay, very good quality plastic buckle, art material. Oops. Okay, right there you go. Okay, elasticity is there. Now the most important part is to let you know that why. Right. Oops. Now most importantly, right, it's about the portability, right? Which I saw the marketing videos from the seller, right? It would be like about the compartments, right? And you can put lots of things, right? And also for a water bottle, for a small water bottle, right? So on the go, it's pretty good. So you can put lots of stuff inside. Let's see. First of all, let's try the. No, this is a regular size smartphone. Let's see whether it can fit. Hmm. Okay, definitely you cannot fit the big type of smartphone. Definitely no. Okay, for my Xiaomi regular phone, you need some adjustment before you can slot it in like that, right? So that means regular size. So probably like the iPhone Pro Max, I don't think you can fit in. So it's not for you. You have to look for the other brands. But for a regular phone, right, regular sizes, regular thickness shouldn't be a problem, right? Fits right in, and there are few spaces left inside here. Put something else, okay? And for this one, perhaps you want to put your keys, or coins and stuff like that. And of course, this is the water bottle, right? So it's very good, right? For content creators when you are on the go and you want something that is durable, right? Splash proof because you're on the go, right? You don't want it to wet any of the important stuff inside here. And once you wear it, right, you can put your shirt over it to cover it. So it kind of like additional security for you when you are on the go or maybe you are traveling, right? So this is so far what I can think of. And that is the idea that I've gotten, right, from the marketing video from the seller. That is why I'm a content creator in the network marketing space that love to be on the go to make my content. Right. So definitely that is why I pay for this and decided to give you a simple product review about that. So if you would like to grab it, right, just comment below this video, right, pouch. Okay. Now, last but not least, if you have watched till this to the end of my product review and unboxing video, right, I would like to offer you some free resources in regards to how to use the internet to create multiple sources of income. Is to learn this thing, right, attraction marketing principles, right. So they have basic, intermediate, and advanced level. So everything is comprehensive in this playbook that I have put together for you, developed by my mentor from the United States. So you can have that for free. So literally, like when you master attraction marketing, the short answer for you is that you can sell anything, right? So don't just think of using the internet for to pass time, like a consumer of data. No, don't do that. So anyway, you need to scroll right on the internet. Think of it as a prosumer. Be a provider at the same time. That means a consumer and a provider at the same time, which is what I'm demonstrating to you right now. I'm a consumer, right? And at the same time, I'm making marketing videos to be a provider as well, right? To create another source of income. How about that? So if you like that, right, comment below this video, attraction marketing instinct, right? And I will follow up with you personally. So that will be the end of this episode of Get Real with You video. Okay, God bless you. Thank you for watching.